Hello and welcome to this video brought by Louis Art. So this will be a very quick video, probably not for the general use of blenders users, except you have like the Pupa Animate Pro add-on. It's a rigging add-on for Blender, live on the Blender market. So one issue which most of us might face when rigging character is basically setting up characters that has problems with the mesh makeup. Basically, when you try to rig, you have this automatic weight failure. So when you're using Pupa, there's still high chance you're going to run into that, but we have a very quick and easy solution for that. So let me quickly show you. So I've set up this rig quickly. I have the collection where the asset is located and it's plugged in here, and we've kind of generated our meta rig. So we can just go ahead and click on bind collection, and now if I move the bone, even though we did not get that error, that's basically the issue that happened. It's just Pupa kind of bypassed it, but we're getting that automatic error failure. So what do you do now? So it's as easy as selecting the rig and clicking on clean bind. So you already have your collection set up here, and if you click clean bind, it should fix it, and this should work for any type of rig you have basically. As long as you're using Pupa, you have access to this feature. So basically, you just want to put all the necessary objects that are being problematic into this particular collection, and you just select any type of rig you have and click on clean bind. It's going to take its time and do its thing, and in a short while, it's basically applying the transfer weight modifier to make sure everything works as expected, and voila, you have your rig model. So it fixes any problem you have. Though you will have some issues with areas like this for close area proximity, which it has to do with the density of the mesh we use to project the weights, and I will show you how to fix that now. So the way to fix that, what we want to do is go into the edit mode of your object. So the hand which we're trying to, the hand is basically what we are trying to fix, because the rest of it is working as we want. So we want to just go here, select this edge loop by holding down Alt and clicking, and we press V. It's going to rip through it, so this is its own mesh now. So let's do that for this again. So V will rip through it. And the reason I'm doing this is to have this, since we know the topology or the mesh with the hand is going to be easier for Blender to handle with its automatic weight, which produces a better result when dealing with dealing with mesh that have close proximity. So this would be a desired way to go about it. So we can just quickly delete all the modifiers and remove everything. Okay, so this is just its own mesh without the rig. We can even unparent it. So now we want to select this and shift select the rig and press Ctrl P, automatic weight. So this is definitely going to work, and we can see the hand is deforming as expected. And now we can just join the mesh back together, select everything and press. Or you could select just that area which you messed with, and delete by distance. Okay, so mesh by distance. So I suspect that's M. If you press M for merge, then you can have delete by distance, and it's going to basically tighten that up, and all the weights are being transferred back onto the geometry, and we can see it works as expected. And now you can go in and start having fun with anything you want to do. So you just apply your animation,